Hi, I'm Maria.
I'm Jason,
And this is Lombok, Rough and Ready. Hari ini kita mengunjungi Desa Pakuan, di mana kita akan mengunjungi dua wisata alam di sini yang sangat terkenal, yaitu Musola Ridwan atau bisa disebut masjid ala Cina dan air terjun
Jaran Kurus.
Oh ya, Jaran Kurus. Karena namanya yang begitu aneh, saya sedikit lupa. Baik.
Today we're visiting two places here in Desa Pakuan, north of Sasau. So we're visiting the Musola Ridwan, which is also known as the Chinese Mosque, and we're also visiting the air terjun Jaran Kurus, the Skinny Horse Waterfall, which is right behind us. From the roadside, it's a 300-meter walk down these stairs, down to the river, and you follow the river around to the left to get to the waterfall. It's very pretty here. Again, it's a place for a picnic. Bring your lunch. Dari pinggir jalan, Anda hanya harus berjalan 300 meter. Kalau sudah sampai di bawah, di sungainya, belok kiri, ikut arus air, dan tempat ini sangat indah sekali. Lamun sida mele datang mesa-mesa, laman pinggir jalan, no sida mesti lalu kira-kira 300 meter doang. This is a beautiful place. There's no rubbish. It's very quiet. There's few people. It's really good if you can come during the week. On Sunday, there's probably a lot of people here. So when you come and you've got kids, just be careful on the way down. It is a bit slippery and it's a wee bit dangerous.
Seperti yang kita lihat, tempat ini sangat cantik dan sepertinya belum pernah dikunjungi oleh banyak orang. Tetapi jika berkunjung ke sini dan membawa anak-anak, harap hati-hati karena jalan sedikit bahaya.
So be careful. The Chinese Mosque is directly across the road from the entrance to the Jaran Kurus Waterfall. Musola Ridwan, juga disebut Masjid Cina, terletak di seberang jalan dari pintu masuk air terjun itu.